Well, let me think. Where did we go wrong? It's hard to say. With feelings so strong, I find it entertaining how we dance around the pain. If I were to tell the truth, would it even change the game? To my mind, love was never blind. It depends on the truths we chose to find. I can't pick just one moment where we lost the sun. Frankly speaking, it's a journey never done. If I were to look back now, would I see a different scene? To my mind, we had it all, a love so vast and keen. It depends on how we view the past with eyes anew. I can't pick just one reason why our love fell through. To my mind, love was never blind. It depends on the truth we chose to find. I can't pick just one.